In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove the face unlock data from the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is to open the Settings app, and then in Settings, scroll and select Security and Privacy. Then look for the option Biometrics. Tap on that. Next, under your biometrics, select face recognition and enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. From here, at the top of the screen, you should see the option labeled Remove Face Data. Tap on that and confirm your decision by selecting Remove again. So now, all your face data has been removed. If you wish to add, you can always just select Register Face and then add your face data again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.